Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to change air filter on Touareg 2.5 TDI 2004. Okay, let's begin. So before you begin, take these panels off and they're just clip on, so you just unclip them just like that, you just pull on them, you're not going to break them, they're just clipped in on clips. See? Yeah, clips. Okay, so that's the air filter. You need to take this middle bit off and take this off as well, so we can take the middle bit off. Okay, pull on it. Pull. Okay, take this off. And the middle one, pull again, pull, and then pull, and then pull. There we are. Now we can take a look of dismantling this. Okay, so it should be fairly easy, just a little bit fiddly. So what you need to do is to release those like so and like so, which will release the cover, and now you can see the air filter there. At the bottom it just slots in and then the clips hold it, so what you effectively need to do is just lift it a little bit and release, then you can take out a filter. I would release this clip as well and take that off, that pipe off, so it's nice and loose. I will release this now. How do you release? Just a simple clip. There we are. Released. So it's nice and loose. Now you can loosen the whole assembly up, exposing the filter, and you will need to wiggle it out because there's no way around, especially with one hand. There we are. Now the filter I'll be using is Crossland. That's the codes for it. Should be an exact fit. Costs nothing, £3 or something. Now it's just it's just the same as you took it out. Same opposite of putting it in. So you slide the filter in, wiggle it in. Okay, so you need to push a little bit. Come on. This is a bit harder doing one-handed, but the filter is in. There we are. Sits beautifully. All you need to do now is just push this back, get the clips up. There we are. That's it. Clip, clip, put this back in. Don't forget that the car might not work, and put the pipe in. That's it, done. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.